In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your passwords using Microsoft Edge. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. This is a straightforward process, so you can get started quickly. Once Edge has launched, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice three distinct dots. Clicking on these dots is like unlocking a gateway of options and is an important first step in our process. When you click on these dots, a menu will pop up. This menu offers access to various settings and controls within the browser, helping you personalize your browsing experience. From this menu, you'll want to navigate down to Settings and select it. This action will take you into Edge's Settings menu, where you can adjust a host of preferences and features to suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, keep your eyes peeled for the section labeled Passwords and Autofill. Go ahead and click on it to explore the password management feature. You'll notice Passwords and Autofill mentioned again, and at this point, click it to reveal specific options related to passwords. This section is where all the action happens. It's your hub for managing your saved passwords. You may find that no passwords are currently displayed, and there's no need to be alarmed. This typically occurs because you're not logged in and Edge hasn't yet stored any credentials for you. But not to worry, the next step will show you how to add your passwords manually, ensuring your information is ready and waiting for you. To add a password, look out for the plus icon. By clicking this icon, you open the door to manually input new credentials. This process starts with being prompted to fill in several details. Begin with the website URL. This is simply the web address of the site for which you want to save a password. Following this, enter the username associated with that website. Doing so ensures that when you return to the site, Edge can swiftly autofill your credentials. Finally, add the password itself. Double check to ensure it's accurate and secure. You'd hate to lock yourself out over a simple typo. And just like that, your details are securely stored in Edge, ready for the next time you visit that site. This process not only streamlines your online activity, but also makes it more hassle-free and efficient. Before we wrap up, if you found this guide helpful, please remember to like the video and leave a comment. Your feedback helps us improve and continue providing valuable content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay secure.